Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Compliments of the season to you all. I trust you all are staying safe. Hope you are doing well. I have this tutorial for you guys. I have the simple turban I am working on right now, and I decided to film this and share with you. It's just a very simple turban with a little rose design attached to it. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and be sure to select the options to receive all notifications so you don't miss out of any of my tutorials. I have my turban cap made already from 1 yard of fabric, and I'll be using what is left or part of what is left to design it. There's no particular measurement in mind. All right, so I have it here. This is about 7 inches weight and about 27 inches length, and I have my crinoline. The crinoline I have is about 7 inches weight. I'm going to be using the same length of my fabric to cut out my crinoline. So, and this is it. Okay, so I am going to place my crinoline inside. And how do I do that? I just fold this over it like this. Fold this over it like this. And I'm going to sew. But before I sew, I would like to shape the edges. Just do a curve right here on both sides. So from here, I'll just measure about 2 inches from here, and I'm going to do a curve like this. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the other end, and what I'll do is I fold it this way. I fold it into two this way, and I'm going to sew from here, sew it like that this way all the way down. Now after sewing, this is what we have, and I'll start sewing those stitches from here all the way here. That's from here this way. If I found it too long while working, I may need to trim it off. So I've sewn my loose stitches like that, and when I get to this point, I pull to form gather. Since I am not sure of me finishing up this layer, I'm just going to leave my needle like that, and from here I'm going to start rolling like you're forming a rose. Okay, start rolling like this. It's not going to be too big. So I'm going to just, since I'm going to be cutting this off, I'm going to cut this off. So I'll just cut it off right here. I'm okay with this. And I'm going to secure it down. I'll just try to flatten it kind of. The crinoline is what is giving it this effect, but I just wanted to flatten a little bit, okay? So I'll be using my needle and thread to control that. This is what I have. So I have it in 3 places. For my piece of fabric, I'm going to fold into 2 this way, and I'll fold into 2 again. From this folded corner, I'm going to measure 2.5. This folded corner, okay, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches. 2.5, that's 2.5 inches, like that, like this. and I'm going to cut it out. So I have a small circle. I'm going to sew loose stitches round the edges of my circle, okay? So round like that, and I pull. So once I pull, I just make sure that I'm pulling in such a way that the edges come to the center of the circle. Can you see? This way. So this form our flower. I'm just going to take my needle through like that to secure it properly. I have it done in 3 places. I'm going to be placing them on top of my roses. I'm going to tack to it like this. Just tack it to it like this. I'm going to be attaching it to my turban cap. I'm fixing it on this side, so I just tack it. I can just put it on my mannequin head to be sure of where I'm going to be arranging it. So I'm just arranging the 3 this way, just 3 of them, alright? Tack this one down to here, bring it forward a little, and tack it down, bring it forward a little here, and tack it down. I'm done tacking my roses to my cap base. On this part, we have the thread visible. We're going to be placing stones or any kind of accessory to cover it up.